Hi, my dear friends, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying your days. In this video, you will see Easter decoration ideas 2025. These are Easter craft. If you watch my full video till end, you will see 70 plus Easter craft ideas for kids and adults. Easy Easter craft ideas for the whole family. Just like a terrific family vacation, when it comes to cute Easter crafts and decorations, it's not about the destination but the journey. In other words, making an Easter craft with the kiddos is more about the quality time spent cutting, gluing, and designing the cute Easter eggs, candy jars, and sweet wreaths. Luckily, these Easter craft ideas are both fun to make and lovely to display. Gather the kids for a fun-filled session of family-friendly DIY Easter crafting. These projects not only serve as adorable decorations but also include activities like painting Easter eggs and crafting pom-pom chicks. Plus, they are perfect for unleashing your inner child. These easy Easter crafts appeal to everyone, kids and adults alike. Spruce up your home with homemade Easter craft. Easter cards, festive Easter table decorations, or even a colorful Easter tree. You can work on some of these projects throughout the week, or if you are running out of fun Easter activities on Sunday morning, sit down with your kids for a few minutes of coloring or dyeing. And if it doesn't sound like enough, then take a look at some adorable bunny crafts too. Afterwards, reward yourselves with some of your favorite Easter sweets and candy from your personalized baskets. Between the crafting and eating, it's the perfect way to usher in the Easter season. In fact, you will have so many DIY ideas to keep you busy all through the spring season. Number 1, origami paper. Potted paper Easter lily, gold geometric Easter eggs, glittery Easter candy jars, gold leaf speckled egg wreath, mini basket name tags, pocky Easter nest treats, DIY Chinese Easter eggs, and many other ideas you will see in this video. Please watch my full video till end. You will see very amazing and very pretty and easy Easter craft ideas for your home decorations, table decorations, for your door decorations, and kindergarten school decorations. I really hope that you really like all the ideas that I am shared with you. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. In my next video, you will see many other craft ideas related to Easter and other festivals, holidays. I really hope that you really enjoyed this video. All these are very pretty and very unique Easter craft ideas. You will see baskets, flowers, floor decorations, table decorations, eggs decorations, wreaths, and many other different bunnies you will see in this video. So guys, don't go anywhere. If you have any request, if you want to see many other ideas related to Easter or etc, please let me know in comment section. I really hope that you really like this video. If you are my new viewer, please do subscribe my channel and share my videos as much as you can. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Be healthy and take care of your family and spend your time with your family as much as you can. So live a long life. God bless you guys. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.